Gold dust? Magic? Railroad? Buffers? Lost engine? The family told me, as long as there is a railroad, there will be harmony. As long as there is gold dust, there will be energy. You will never have to worry. Yeah, sure.
Mr. C. Mr. C. Why aren't you here? Why couldn't you travel anymore to the island of Sodor? Or back home here to us in Shining Time? The magic is all gone.
What's going wrong with our railroad and why? My universe is in danger. I've got to find more gold dust. Next morning, Mutt traveled with Billy to the big city station. Mutt was sure Lily could help her grandpa, and that together they could help me. But only if Lily met someone special at Shining Time first.
Attention passengers, the train for Muffle Mountain will depart from track 3, last stop Muffle Mountain.
Is, do you? You do? Is it that one? Well, why not? I hope you're right.
Mutt was feeling pleased with himself. He had put Lily on the wrong train, but he knew he had done so for the right reasons.
I know how the moon must feel, looking down from the heavens, smiling at the silly things we put ourselves through, missing magic each day and not seeing the wonder. That's how the moon must feel. Feeling I will feel when you smile at me. I'll be floating on air, I'll be beaming with wonder. That's how the moon must feel.
Left a bit. No, right a bit. Up a bit. Oh.
There, James. Tickle all gone now?
No, still itchy. Hey, Mr. C, why do you look so tired? Is it because I'm red? Diesel says red is a very tiring color, but Mr. C, red looks so nice against the snow. It's not me, is it?
Oh, no, of course not, James. I think that red is bright and cheerful.
Oh, good.
Just like my sparkle. Or at least it was. And must be again. Oh, I'm sorry, James. I'm going to the windmill to search for something important. Now off you go to work, please.
Okay, Mr. C, keep your steam on.